And there you have it, a simple and delicious spaghetti aglio e olio, perfect for a quick dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and super easy spaghetti aglio e olio. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 200 grams of spaghetti, 4 cloves of garlic thinly sliced, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, fresh parsley, chopped salt, Parmesan cheese, optional. First, bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Add your spaghetti and cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. While the pasta is cooking, let's make the sauce. Heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the sliced garlic and cook until it's golden brown and fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Next, add the red pepper flakes to the garlic and oil. Stir for about 30 seconds to release all that spicy goodness. Drain the pasta but save a little bit of the pasta water. Add the spaghetti to the pan and toss it with the garlic and oil. If it looks a bit dry, add a splash of that reserved pasta water. Turn off the heat and mix in the fresh parsley seasoned with salt to taste. And if you like, you can add some grated Parmesan cheese on top. See you next time. Bye.